Well, hey everyone, Mr. Master on the West Coast, and here I am in the office. It's Sunday morning and I have something to show you. Let's just spin this around. So there you go. Overnight, I've reached 100 subscribers. So there we go. That's my first target to reach. That's really awesome. It took me a year to get to 100 subscribers, maybe a bit more than a year. I do admit that when I first put my channel up, I really wasn't very good at recording videos. I basically didn't know what to say most of the time, and so it took me a little while to get used to videoing, editing, and creating some content that is reasonably okay to look at. I will keep improving. I'll keep putting videos up. I don't think I'll ever make a cent out of this because you know, you need so many subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and it's just, I'd say it's almost impossible for me to reach that. So I doubt if I'll ever monetize it even, but I enjoy what I do, and I enjoy sharing this with other people, and hopefully they learn something from it. So as promised, everyone goes into the draw. Something interesting I didn't know. 70 of these 100 have got their profiles private, which means they subscribe to my channel, but I don't know who they are, so they can't go into the hat. So actually, out of 100 subscribers, only 30 will be going into the draw. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to be giving a liner lock away and a couple of simple little pocket knives. So here I am on this website called Wheel of Names. All 30 on here. That's all I could get from the 100 subscribers because the rest had private profiles. So obviously can't do much about that. But all I've got to do now is hit this here to get a winner. In fact, I'm going to hit it 3 times. So I have 3 knives to give away. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, well, look at that. Chris, you're the winner, mate. Chris is one of the well, fairly long time subscribers, but always so supportive, and just about every video I put up makes a pretty positive comment about it. So yeah, I'm pleased about that. But anyway, so here we go. I need to remove Chris from this so that he's not picked out again. So here we go. This is the draw for knife number 2. And it is, oh, it is 013 belly. Congratulations. And for the 3rd draw, I'll remove that one. We go for the 3rd and final draw. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, gosh, that was close. Karl Murphy, you're the 3rd draw. Well done, mate. Congratulations to you. So here we are, back on the mobile. Just want to confirm. Winner number 1, who'll receive a liner lock, that one I showed you in my recent video, and that is Chris Roosendaal. Congratulations, mate. The 2nd one in the draw, who received one of those little lightweight pocket knives, is 013 belly. Congratulations to you. And 3rd is Karl Murphy. You'll also be receiving a little lightweight pocket knife. So congratulations to all those 3. So I guess the next stage for me is 200 subscribers. We'll see what I can do at 200 subscribers. Perhaps there'll be another giveaway. So here we go. This one goes off to Chris. I'm assuming everybody wants these, by the way. That goes in a little pouch as well. This goes off to 013 belly. And this one goes off to Karl. So there we go. Beautiful. There you go, guys. The draw's done, and to claim these knives you just need to send me an email and let me know where to send them to. There is an email on my YouTube page on the About page, and it's freeknife@mail.com. So once again, thanks for your support, and I'll see you again very soon.